Hello Math 1 students. This is a video over lesson 2.4 entitled Equations and Their Solutions. There are a few things I want you to know about equations. Equations have many parts. Actually, they have 4 parts. An equation has all the parts of an expression plus an additional part. So they have variables. Equations have numbers. Equations have operations. And an equation also has an equal sign. That is the one part that an expression does not have, is an equal sign. Okay, so remember a variable is a letter that represents a number. Remember, an operation is plus, minus, multiplication, or division. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, those are operations. Now, equations have solutions. That's a key word that we need to make sure you remember. Solutions. What is a solution? It is a value that makes an equation true. These are key things you need to know for this lesson 2.4. So, I want to give you some examples. So if you'll turn in your books to page 68, we'll do some together. All right, before we get started on these, I want you to know that the directions say, determine whether the given value of the variable is a solution. So, they're going to give you an equation, and then they're going to give you a value for the variable, and they want to know whether or not that value makes the equation true. So, let's start with number 2. We have z plus 31 equals 73, and they're wanting us to use 42 for the letter z. Now, every time that you substitute in a number for a variable, you're going to put parentheses where the variable is. So, parentheses plus 31 equals 73. Then go back into the parentheses and you're going to put the number they give you for the variable. In this case, z is 42, so we're going to plug in 42 into the parentheses. The parentheses help us to make sure that we're writing the numbers correctly. So now we can say, okay, 42 plus 31, we can do that. If you're unable to do it written horizontally, you can line it up like this on the side. 42 plus 31. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 42 plus 31 is 73. And does 73 equal 73? Because you already had a 73 over on this side of the equation. Yes, 73 equals 73. So yes is your answer. 42, when plugged in for the variable, it gives you a true equation. All right, let's look at number 4 on the same page. This is still on page 68. We have 85 equals 194 minus A. And in this case, they want us to let A be 105. So we have 85 equals 194 minus, put parentheses in